Well, how are you, fellow humans out there in the flat world? The earth is flat, and it's real fucking flat. You know, as we travel through the galaxy, it's flat, baby. And like I'm just getting into this saxophone, and it's flat. The earth is flat. I met some flat girls, and they were cool. I mean, real cool. Nothing wrong with flat girls. All girls are gorgeous. You know, like and all you little turds that I can regurgitate your poor, your poor ball earth shit. But you know, just tuning up the saxophone. Seeing if it's tuning. Trying to hit the high note. We're getting back to flat Earth and cold beers. You know, you know. When you see me play the guitar, you freak right out. But the main thing is that the Earth is flat. I'm sure you ball earthers are realizing that you should sit down with your lovely woman, have a beer, and say one thing, one thing. Just say one thing. Say, damn, I don't see any flames coming off the sun going so fast through space, through space. That's kind of funny, man. You know, that thing's burning like a motherfucker. And it ain't leaving a trail moving that fucking fast through space. No, it's right there. It's right there, real close, just like the moon. Oh yeah. And I'm so proud of fellow flat earthers on the flat plane. I was thinking, and I try to explain to people, like, I mean, you know, you take into consideration, which I will argue with any ball earther. But let's look at one damn thing which they can't explain. Now, if you're driving a plane at 600 miles an hour, you're moving fast, and that's a very lovely uh, vehicle created by us humans. That's not bad, and it's got a damn good record for safety and everything. Now, if the Earth is spinning, you know, and you're doing 600 miles an hour. Now, if you're going against a spin, so the earth is spinning that way. So you're flying that way at 600 miles an hour. Well, you're doing 1,600 miles an hour. And that's not showing on the hours of plane trips to any destination, whether it be Moscow to Toronto, Vancouver to Tokyo, or Vancouver to China, or Vancouver to Taiwan, or Vancouver to South Africa, or Vancouver to Sydney, Australia, or Vancouver to Germany, or Vancouver to Italy, Rome, or any. No, it's just not. It's not that way. And of course, they don't fly to Antarctica. That's weird. That's so fucking weird. I need to have a damn drink. But like I say, yeah, But we're all human on this planet, man. We all bleed red, big time. But if you fall off a fucking motorcycle at 100 miles an hour, you're fucking dead. So don't think you're gonna live. And the chick on the back, she's dead too. If you fuck up. But getting back, getting back to flat Earth. Well, shit, I don't see any reason why I would believe in a fucking ball Earth. Like a real weird thing is, the Red River is a huge river. It's huge. It's a big river. It flows right up the middle of the United States into Canada, into Lake Winnipeg. And Lake Winnipeg is huge. Google it. Now, on a ball Earth, that's impossible. That is fucking impossible. That river can't do that. And it's been doing it for thousands of years. And us humans deal with that Red River. Us Americans and us Canadians deal with that river. And it don't give a shit, but we have to deal with it. And it's a big river. But it flows up to Lake Winnipeg. Fuck. On a ball, that's impossible. And I want to state to all intelligent ball Earth dumb fucks. Here, I want to state this as scientific. You say, I'm not a scientist. Well, I'm going to teach you about damn science. Now, here's a ring, okay? Now, don't worry about this. This is the Earth, okay? This is the fucking Earth, okay? This is the outer shape of the ball Earth, what you believe. All right, now, let's add water. Now, I'm not saying it's spinning. Let's not incorporate the spinning of this ball, okay? Now, water will seek its own level, regardless of facts. So we're 72% water. So if this is true, then the water should be 72% up on this ball. And the only land would be up here. Or the only land would be Antarctica. The rest would be flooded. Now, if you spin it, it don't make any difference. The water just, move around. So try the math on that. It's right. Welcome to the real world and not the bald earth stupid world. So to the next time we meet on the internet, and I must shout out great loves to fellow flat earthers who are pushing and talking the real truth, not the bullshit truth. So be safe and remember, if you're driving a motorcycle 100 miles an hour, you're moving fast. And if you're driving a car 140 miles an hour, you're moving fast. So be careful. Real careful because,